Hi everyone, this is P with Mr.V, and this is the Dance Challenge. In this challenge, I will show you 3 different dance moves. Ready? Here's the first one. Now to make it easy, we're going to start with our feet in a V shape, just like this. Once you have your feet in a V shape, you have to make sure that one foot is always on your toes and the other one is always on your heels. This way you can move separately, like this. So right now, my weight is on my left heel and my right toes, just like that. Here. So it's never heel, heel, and never toe, toe. It's always one heel and one toe. So when you have your weight on your heel and on your toes on the other foot, it's very easy to move your feet separately, bringing your toes together and bringing your heels together. Let's try it. So there you have it, happy feet, get practicing. Dance move number 2, air walking. So the air walk is quite simple. One foot slides over the floor, and as it passes your second foot, you just lift your heel. That way your knee goes forward and it gives you the impression that you're actually walking in the air. Let's have a look. If you add your arms to the movement and pretend that you're actually walking, that gives even more of an impression that you're actually walking. So try to do that as well. So it's the arms and then the legs at the same time, pretending you're walking but without moving. Dance move number 3, the arm wave. For the arm wave, you have to divide your arm in 3 parts. Wrist, elbow, shoulder. So it's wrist, elbow, shoulder, other shoulder, elbow, wrist. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist. All together would be well, there you have it. 3 simple but cool dance moves to impress your friends and family. Remember, practice makes perfect, so go get practicing. See you in the next video. Bye!